We are going to look at unit trust today. What is unit trust? Unit trust is a pool of funds collected from many investors and invested in different asset classes such as shares of the listed companies in the Colombo Stock Exchange, and there are fixed income securities which provide you a fixed return over a fixed period of time such as bank deposit, treasury bills, treasury bonds, debentures, commercial paper, etc. Now, the unit trust funds are available to the public. Now, you may wonder, why should the public come to the unit trust? Because the unit trust invest in different asset classes to meet different objectives of the investors. It caters to the different needs of investors. People have different needs. Somebody might want a regular income from his investment in order to support his living. Another individual might want a capital appreciation for his investment. He wanted the capital to grow. So the unit trust provide these opportunities with different investment objectives by marketing different funds. So the public have a choice to invest in these funds. So if you ask, why should individuals come to the unit trust? Because the investments in these unit trusts are managed by professional fund managers. So they have necessary experience and the expertise about the market, and they know which instrument they should invest and in order to meet the objective of the fund. And another advantage in the unit trust is the trustee. There is an independent financial institution which functions as a trustee. So the main objective of the trustee is to protect the interest of the investor. That means the trustee ensures that the fund manager or the portfolio manager or the investment manager, when he takes investment decision, those should be according to the rules and regulations of the unit trust. As you know, unit trusts are licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka. So they need to operate within the rules and regulation prescribed by SEC. And the biggest advantage of unit trust is, say for instance, you want to invest in the stock market. But if you want to invest in the stock market, you must know about the companies where you are going to invest, because there are more than 280 companies that are listed in the stock exchange. So you may not know which company is good. But as professional fund managers, the unit trust management companies, they know what are the companies that they should invest. They do not consider as investing in the shares of the company, they consider that they are investing in the business. So they study the businesses of the company and they make wise investment or appropriate investment to meet the investment objective. So say for instance, for an individual, he may not have the expertise or he may not know which company to invest in the stock market. So a person who doesn't have the knowledge of going and directly investing in the stock market, the unit trust provides an opportunity for him to reap the benefit of the capital market or the stock market. Similarly, say for instance, an investor wants a regular income. So the unit trust provides an opportunity through funds known as money market funds. So these funds are similar to a savings account. It provides high liquidity. So if you want to withdraw your money, say tomorrow, you can tell the fund manager that you want your money tomorrow and you will be able to take the money tomorrow. And it provides you a return, although the fund is similar to a savings account in terms of liquidity, it will provide a return equivalent to a fixed deposit in a bank. So that is another added advantage for an investor to select the suitable investment that he feels, what is my investment goal? Does the unit trust cater to my investment goal? So he can select a unit trust that fulfills his objective. And the other thing is, the other biggest advantage is professional fund management. I mean, the fund managers have expertise and they select the best suitable investment. And another advantage is a diversified investment portfolio. So now say when the unit trust management companies, they sell units and collect money from various investors, they generally have a large pool of funds. Now these funds are invested in different asset classes, and within the asset class they diversify into different companies. So, for a small investor with a 5,000 rupees, he will be able to come to the unit trust and enjoy the benefits of a diversified investment portfolio. So, this is a great advantage to the ordinary investor. So, if I may say again, an ordinary investor who has no knowledge about the market, who doesn't have a large amount of money to invest in the market, and also who doesn't have time to monitor his investment. Especially when you invest in the stock market, you got to constantly monitor your investment. So if you are a working person, you may not have the time to closely monitor your investment. So whereas in a unit trust, the fund manager's role is that he will be closely monitoring all the investment that they make. So if you want to invest in the unit trust, you can simply go to the website of the Unit Trust Association of Sri Lanka, which is utasl.lk. So if you go to the website, you will see all the management companies that are managing unit trust. There are more than almost 65 to 70 unit trust funds with different investment objectives that are available. So you can go to the website, and there are 15 fund management companies which are managing this fund. So the site will take you to the respective management companies, and you will be able to see what are the unit trust funds that are available, and what is the objective of these funds, and what is the fees and the charges that the funds levy for an investor. And then you can see different funds, and also on the UTASL Sri Lanka website, you will be able to see the performance of these funds. Every month, this performance of all the unit trust funds are updated on this website. So as an investor, you can easily see that. And once you log into the particular companies and you are interested in investing in that fund, what you can do is you can contact them. All the contact details are given in the website. You may contact them and then decide which fund you want to invest. Here you don't need to invest a large amount, you can invest a small amount and start.